Not more shopping, please. Selamat pagi.
Hi, I'm Kim.
I'm Berg.
We're Bergs in Bali, and we are today at the Artisadana department store supermarket. Used to be called Hardy's.
Not more shopping, please.
And then step aside. We bought the mother-in-law. Okay, Mum, let's go shopping.
Okay.
Ooh, pretty socks. Alright, so here at Hardy's, at Artisadana, you can get everything, clothing and your bathers. There's a bookshop, supermarket, trinkets, clothing.
Bit of everything.
Bit of everything. So we'll have a look around, see what we see.
This is the funnest video ever.
You're a bit negative about shopping these days.
Every day. Hello.
And a couple of little cafes, She Cafe. I saw a big one outside as well.
I like the going shopping and buying.
And the pizza.
I like the buying.
All right, so here at Artisadana, they have the old Bali tops. They have the dresses sometimes, but I can't find them. But they were here just a couple of weeks ago, like that.
You need a sarong. Sarongs.
Oh, sarongs as far as
So
I
many
can
sarong.
see.
So many sarongs. Sports shop. Can't see any cricket shirts in there though.
No.
Call yourself a sports shop.
All the knockoff bags. Batim bag collection. And a talcum cell shop. This is pretty exciting.
This is new, isn't it?
Yeah. I haven't seen it before.
It's handy. Perfume watches.
And how long does it take?
20 minutes.
Really?
See, what you can get with the frame as well. You can have with the frame as well.
Oh yeah,
Let's show the frame.
that's good. Like that one?
Yep, that's good. That's good.
Thank you.
Let's send the photos.
No, we'll have the frame as well. How much is the frame?
Total altogether is $12.
Okay.
The pictures to send.
Canvassy. Watches. Belts.
Okay, you got it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right, so what's happened there is I've just sent a couple of photos through to the booth here, and it costs $70K without the frame, but I'm getting the frame, so that's $120,000 for this size. So
With the frame.
with the frame.
Excellent.
Yep. Nice surprise for Mum. Don't tell her. There goes one. Can you give me? Watch out. The shopper's upstairs. Let's have a whiz through the supermarket. Oh, hang on. All right, so we're in the supermarket now.
We'll just have a quick spin.
Yeah, so just a span around.
Go around to the gadget bits. That's what people like. Gadgets.
All right, so full groceries, fruit and veg, meat, dairy,
Durian.
durian,
Anyone for durian?
yeah, pharmacy kind of things.
Knickknacks. Sunglasses from the 80s.
$12,900, so I'll get 2 of those. I need a couple more baskets. All right, here's a tip for new retirees coming over to live here. Bring your Kmart toaster for $10 because this one is $675,000, which is about $67, and it's unlikely to fit a whole piece of toast in it.
Normally you have to turn it upside down.
You do, spin around. Now, Berg's been looking for what?
I'm looking for
extension cord.
an extension lead, but they don't have extension leads like we have in Australia. They have these things, and you wind them up. They're handy, but I don't want all the other stuff. I just want an extension lead. I might have to buy one of these things. They're a bit cheaper. You cut the lead off it.
What, and do your own electric?
Do my own electric.
Oh, God. Okay, so looking at the shelves now, there's a huge difference between a year ago and now. It was that there was hardly any stock at all, and it wasn't really even worth coming in, but it's all fully stocked now, which is fabulous. Same price as Brad Lucky-ish, maybe a little bit cheaper.
Okay, we'll go and pay for our goods, and then we'll take you upstairs.
Hello. Heading upstairs now. Let's see if we can find Mum. So down here, if you're looking for anything that says barley on it that you want to take home as souvenirs, this is your joint. Oh, they've done a bit of a rearrange up here. Oh, it looks very neat. Nice and tidy.
Suitcases.
All right, so they've got just about everything up here. Souvenir, sandals, suitcases, socks, everything that starts with S. Boom, boom.
Comb doesn't start with S.
Yeah.
So
The
you're,
comb.
so you're wrong there.
All right. My beautiful sister was looking for bracelets, so I'll have to let Mum know that they're over here.
That's helmets. Your helmet. All toys.
So someone was asking on our Facebook page the other day about where to get some weights. So if these are your kind of weights, they are 1 kilo. You can get them up here.
A good range of thongs and shoes and things.
Oh,
Lazada.
who's that?
Oh,
Yeah. She said she's never seen so many clothes in all her life. 1,237,000, so about $120-ish.
and for those of you who are wondering, there are people here.
Yes?
People always say, isn't anyone there? But we don't want to video all the people.
Yeah. It's actually quite busy up
Yeah.
here, I'm surprised. A lot more so than last time we were here. Now, if you're needing a Hawaiian shirt with palm trees on it, this is also your joint to come. There's a billion of them. Same thing if you need a see-through dress.
Why not? Dresses for tall people.
Yeah. I was just thinking, I like this pink dress. However, it's my length when it's up there.
If you stand on the table, you'll be right.
So much to choose from as far as women's clothes go. So some similar things that you've seen in the markets and some not. Here's the Bali dresses. that I was talking about before. Let's see how much they are. Oh, and here's Misery Guts here, not wanting to shop anymore.
It's not misery, Gus. It's just a natural reaction to shopping.
You want to go and get some lunch?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
So we weren't really going. It's like a trick.
Just one more thing. And don't forget my mother's around here somewhere.
Oh, you've got to find her first.
Interested to know how many of you used to buy all your souvenirs and goodies to take back to Australia from the old Hardies.
It's actually quite pricey. Some of the things here are quite pricey.
Obviously cheaper at the market stalls.
Cheaper than markets.
Especially the
T-shirts.
T-shirts and clothing. 80,000. Jeez, 80,000. You pay 20,000 on the beach. Yeah.
Here's a fan that you can buy on the beach for 20,000. They're selling it for 60,000.
There's a pair of shoes back there that I would have bought. No.
Are we going?
We're going. Okay. If you stop nagging, we'll go.
Let's go. I'm getting hungry.
No. There is no shortage of stuff. Awesome.
Amazing.
Ah, fantastic. That's awesome.
Very good.
Thank you.
That's her?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a surprise for her. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, that's lovely.
We're out. I made it.
We're out, yes. All right, let's go eat meatballs.
Okay, I made it out alive.
He did very well, very patient.
Hope you enjoyed Arta Sandana.
Arta Sadhana, and now we're going to get some lunch, I promise.
Thanks for watching.